I'm doing some cozy fall prep today on the Daily Connoisseur, planning, cooking, and cleaning. Hello dear friends, and welcome back. The fall equinox is right around the corner, and I'm feeling compelled to do some contemplative homemaking today. I'm just so ready to usher in the cozy season. We have an amazing space for our front porch, lots of room to decorate it, but we haven't done much with it. I've mainly focused on the inside of the house, but it's been getting a little shabby on our front porch lately. I painted the garden bench recently to cover the rusted spots, so that turned out well. And now I'm going to sweep the porch and layer some rugs to just add some dimension to the front door. It's not quite time to add pumpkins yet, but I'm getting it all prepped for when that is going to happen. We've actually been undergoing a lot of home repairs. We had some plumbing work done. We got a new water heater, all new toilets that were much needed. And as I'm writing this voiceover, our roof is being redone. So it's been pretty crazy. After all that, we do plan to paint the exterior of the house, which I'm so excited for. And then I want to focus on the porch, making it a welcoming space. So until that happens, I will sweep it, clean it, and layer some rugs. I can't get these marks off the front door, so I'm just going to wait until we have it painted to worry about that. I love this Harlequin doormat, and I think it'll go really well with every season. So I'm laying that down first and then layering 2 other rugs on top. I'll link them all down below. They're all from Amazon. But this adds a luxurious layer to the otherwise skimpy front porch rug that I was using. Once inside, I'm going to take care of my fiddle leaf fig. I adore this plant. I bought it years ago in Santa Monica, and it was pretty small when I bought it. I'm amazed at how much it has grown. The leaves on a fiddle leaf fig are very large, and they tend to collect dust, so I need to regularly go over their leaves to make them shine. I'm also going to fix the sofa here and add this. It's actually a plaid shawl, but I like to use it as a throw blanket. So now the sofa feels cozy. By the way, if you love my homemaking content, I think you're going to love my new book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home, which comes out this November. I will leave the links down below, and I do hope that you'll pre-order the book. I can't wait for you to read it. Now let's make a quick and tasty lunch. I'm sure you've noticed that food prices, including fast food and takeout, are pretty outrageous right now. I do get a kick out of recreating some of our favorite fast food items at home for less, and it always tastes better too. So today I felt like recreating the Taco Bell chicken quesadillas at home. I start by sauteing some onions in extra virgin olive oil, and then I add some cooked shredded chicken. The camera did not capture this. I thought it was filming, but it wasn't. But I did add some red enchilada sauce to this. I also add some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I let this cook a little bit more. Then I begin to fry up my raw tortillas in a bit of olive oil. This always takes the longest to do, but I keep them warm in the oven on low heat while I'm making each one. Then when the tortillas are all fried up, I add the chicken filling, some Taco Bell sauce on the top, my kids just love this, and some shredded Mexican cheese blend. Then I add another tortilla on top of that, and I continue to cook until the cheese is melted. You can serve these with anything. Today, I kept it simple and I served it with avocado. The kids loved these and ate them all up. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'd like to thank Birch Living for sponsoring today's video. Do you know we spend 1/3 of our lives in bed, so our mattresses should be the absolute best. Well, Birch mattresses are crafted with natural and organic materials like natural wool, organic latex, and organic cotton. They are certified safe, fiberglass free, with natural breathability, cooling properties, and they're just so comfortable. Their mattresses are also free from polyurethane foams, which can cause harmful off-gassing. Most important, they are a safe mattress for your little ones. Birch has a certified safe and fiberglass-free mattress for everyone. Did you know that they have 2-sided kids mattresses that offer age-appropriate comfort for your growing child? When it was time to switch out our daughter's mattresses, we went with Birch. Not only do we feel good about how the mattresses are made, the fact that they're made in the USA and in a sustainable way, but they are just so comfortable. In addition to being a better mattress for us, Birch is committed to being better for the planet. I love that throughout the creation of their mattresses, Birch ensures that their materials are produced and harvested sustainably. With your Birch mattress, you get a 100-night sleep trial along with a 25-year warranty. The best part about all of this is that Birch delivers your mattress right to your door for free within the United States. They also offer in-home setup and removal to make your buying experience as convenient as possible. Visit birchliving.com/Daily Connoisseur to use my exclusive Labor Day partner offer, 27% off with code BirchPartner27. And if you're looking for a safe and sustainable mattress for your kids, check out the Birch Kids Natural Mattress. I'm about to do some planning of my own, but I wanted to share that the 2026 Day Designers are here. And this is an exciting time of year because it is only September, but this is always when I get my planner for the upcoming year, because I actually like to start writing in it and planning in about December, but sometimes I will write in it a bit sooner, like even October, if I know things that are coming up for the upcoming 2026. So anyway, I always choose a floral cover. I think every year I do, but they have beautiful grass cloth covers, they have striped covers and other, like geometrical print covers, but I just love the floral covers. And the Day Designers is just so beautiful and high quality. There is a quote on every page, and I love that. I just love reading a quote. So I just opened to a random page. Tuesday, March 31st. It says, "Goodness is the only investment that never fails." Henry David Thoreau. So I love just reading the quotes, and I choose some really good ones. So this particular one has a floral cover and then a blue interior. I'll put the exact name of this cover on the screen. And I do like to get the day planner rather than the weekly spread. And I do like the larger planner, but they also come in mini sizes, like if you want to carry it around with you. They're quite heavy, so I don't really carry this around with me. It pretty much stays by my bedside. Or it would be good for like a desk, because it's quite heavy. But I used to, when I started off with planning, I used to use the weekly spread, and then my life was just so hectic, and I really adopted the technique of writing down a to-do list every day. And it can be quite long, but just like the main highlights of the day, the things that I need to accomplish. And then at the end of the day, I will check them off. And it's just a practice that has served me well. And I actually cannot imagine not doing this. So no matter what planner you use, I do recommend, if you're finding that your life is just really busy and you have so many things to juggle and remember, just writing down a to-do list, okay? And anyway, yeah, I mean, I know I share these big fancy planners and they're so nice. It is like a luxury. I think that because they're so beautiful, it makes me want to use them every day. But you can also just write down your to-do list on any piece of paper. It is just nice having it all in one place. So I will leave the new Day Designer planners down below, and I have a big discount code as well, so you check that out. And then we also have lots of accessories by them that are really nice. Like their notebook is beautiful too. It's like the planners but smaller, and then blank pages pretty much, or
lined pages for you to write on, and I have gifted that notebook to people before. It makes a great gift. You're also seeing magnetic bookmarks, and they have like a desk spread as well. So they've got a lot of different things going on over there. I'll put the day designer linked down below, but planning gets me excited. I don't know why. It just does. I love it. Let me know if you are that way. And anyway, I'm gonna go do some planning of my own right now.
I made myself an afternoon coffee, and then I sit down to plan for the week, which is always a relaxing ritual. I'd like to finish by sharing an easy chicken stew with dumplings recipe. This time of year, I always crave hearty stews, and I've made variations on this dish for so long. The key comfort for me is in the dumplings, so let's begin. I'm taking about 1 pound of chopped chicken breast and seasoning it with onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. And then I coat it in some flour. Then in a large stock pot, I place some butter and I fry up the chicken until it's browned. I would actually normally do onions here, but I think I just forgot. Then I'm adding some water. You can use chicken stock here, but I didn't have any, so you'll see I add bouillon in just a minute. And that's what I do with these recipes. I just kind of use what I have and go with the flow. I also add potatoes, carrots, and celery. And as I mentioned, some bouillon. And then a giant handful of chopped parsley. I let this cook for a while, about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make the dumplings. In a bowl, I combine flour, baking powder, a little bit of sugar, and some salt. And I stir this until it's combined. Then I add the cold butter and I work it into the flour until that is fully combined. I add the milk and I stir until a batter is formed, and then I let it sit for about 5 minutes. Now 15 minutes before the stew is finished, add the dough by dropped spoonfuls into the stew and cover with the lid. You're going to cook it for 15 minutes, fully covered with the lid. And here you go. This is what it looks like when the dumplings are cooked. I serve it with a dash of paprika and some more chopped parsley. This is a heartwarming chicken stew. I love just adding dumplings to whatever soup I'm making. It's just delicious, and it tastes good as leftovers too. It's even better. I hope that you enjoyed today's fall prep video, and thank you to Birch Living for sponsoring. Visit birchliving.com/Daily Connoisseur to use my exclusive Labor Day partner offer, 27% off with the code BirchPartner27. And if you're looking for a safe and sustainable mattress for your kids, check out the Birch Kids Natural Mattress. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.